In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a trend angle line on TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, understanding how to use trend lines efficiently is crucial for analyzing market trends and making informed trading decisions. So, let's dive in and get started with this straightforward guide. First, open up TradingView and navigate to your desired chart. TradingView is a powerful platform offering a host of tools for technical analysis, and today we're tapping into one of its most fundamental features. Look for the chart icon or simply click on the link if you're navigating from a web page. Once you're on your chart, you're ready to start drawing. Next, we need to select the trend line tool. This tool is indispensable for identifying and analyzing trends by connecting two or more significant points on your price chart. You'll find this tool on the left-hand side of your screen in the toolbar. It might be represented by a diagonal line icon or a similar symbol, so go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to plotting precise trend lines. Now that you've selected the trend line tool, it's time to choose your starting point on the chart. A good starting point is often a significant high or low from which you want to analyze the movement of price. Click on this starting point and hold the click to begin drawing your line. Remember, this is where the trend line begins. So choosing a meaningful point in the price action will provide more insightful analysis. After setting your starting point, the next step is selecting an endpoint for your trend line. This is usually another significant high or low that will help illustrate the current trend or pattern you're observing. To do this, continue to hold the click while dragging the line towards your desired endpoint. Release the click to set your line in place, and just like that, you've drawn your trend line. But before we conclude, here are a couple of tips to enhance your trend line analysis. Firstly, remember that trend lines are dynamic. They can and should be redrawn as new market data becomes available. Stay flexible with your analysis and ensure you're consistently updating your lines to keep them relevant. Secondly, combining trend lines with other forms of technical analysis, such as support and resistance levels or chart patterns, can offer a more comprehensive view of potential market movements. That's it! Drawing trend lines on TradingView is a simple yet powerful way to get a better understanding of market trends and price action. I hope this guide has been helpful and you feel confident about applying this technique in your future trading endeavors. Remember, mastering these tools takes practice, so keep experimenting with different charts and time frames to hone your skills. Thank you for watching.